Afternoon YouTube, or morning I should say. Just getting my gloves on. It's new bike day. Crossrunner's been traded in and we're off to get the new one. It's a cracking day, it's been pouring with rain the last few days, so it's really nice. What a lovely day, it's beautiful and sunny. This might be the last really nice day of the year, so couldn't have worked out better. I've not been out much lately, kind of lost my mojo a wee bit, so I've not had any videos for absolutely ages. So the idea is get the new bike today and hopefully that'll change a bit. Get back out again, although it is now coming into the the worst weather, so we'll just need to play it by ear. I do still plan to ride through the winter right enough if weather conditions permit, i.e. no snow and ice. So the bike I've gone for may surprise a few people, so you'll see in due course. I do have another couple of videos I plan to do. I bought some things off of Temu. Don't know if anyone's been using Temu, but it's got loads of little bits and bobs. So I bought, what did I buy? A bike cover, which I'm not going to review because it's just a bog standard bike cover. And I bought a tyre inflator, which I will do a wee quick review on, just a wee short video. Because I bought it and I was like, this might be a load of crap. Oh aye, very good. Right, so we're off to the dealership. This is the last ride of the Crossrunner. So after this wee bit of footage, you won't be seeing this bike again in my hands, so hopefully it goes on to look after its new owner, whoever that may be, and I hope they have many miles on the bike. It's been a cracking fun bike to ride. Beautiful V4 engine. Just lately I've not been overly happy with it for a variety of reasons, but I've talked about them in previous videos. So I'll just head up to the dealership now, so next time you see me I'll have the new bike. Okay folks, that's me been to the dealership. The Honda Crossrunner is now gone and I've got my new bike in front of me here. So I've just come down the motorway a wee bit and stopped off near Whiteley Wind Farm just to do a video walk round of it. So without any further ado, let's reveal this new bike to you. So here it is, 2023 Honda CB500X. Did anyone guess right? So it's a wee bit of a downsize from the Crossrunner, but that was what I was looking for. So I will go into some reasons in a later video, the reasons why I bought this bike, and not anything more expensive or fancy. Basically this is just back to basic, bare bones, relatively inexpensive, and it'll do me for a couple of years of some adventuring, perhaps even looking at taking this off-road a wee bit, up fire roads, into woods and forests and stuff like that. I couldn't really do that in the Crossrunner because it was too bloody heavy. Yes, this is about 200 kilos, so over 50 kilos lighter than another bike. So once this is tooled up with crash bars and fog lights and everything, it'll still be much lighter. So there we go. So we'll head back down the road and start getting the accessories on it. See you later.